What if I told you that you don't need expensive hyaluronic acid serum to get glowing, hydrate skin? Let me show you what I used instead. And yes, no honey, no green tea, just pure skin love from your kitchen. This little bottle completely changed my monsoon skincare. Let's make it together step by step. 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. You can use market aloe vera gel also. 1 tablespoon of glycerin and 2 tablespoons of rose water. Mix it well until it look like a smooth serum. Pour into a dropper bottle and that's it. Instant glow portion ready. Keep it into the fridge till last 7 to 10 days and every drop will feel you like a spa bottle. After clean your face, while your skin is still damp, apply 3 to 4 drops gentle part. Don't rub, just breathe. Lock it into with a favorite moisturizer or aloe vera gel. Let your skin drink it all in. This serum